Good morning, everyone. This is Stephen Menduke, your Associate School Director of Instruction. On this page here that we're looking at, we're going to talk about today in our coffee talk our C3 information. For those of you that are new to DSST or new to Byers, C3 is cross-campus collaboration. This year, the C3 will obviously be a little bit different in that it's all virtual. And I also like what they did at the home office level with some of this scheduling to make it really clear to see where each person will be at any given time across content areas across the network. So this page here, this teacher-facing 2020 summer schedules TLI sheet will be made available to you in this coffee talk, and it will be in the resources at the very end. You'll be able to sort through here for big picture stuff and then for your own content areas as well. So you could see the one from August 6th yesterday, and then we'll also be able to see August 10th, the one coming up on Monday. You could check up here. If I'm a middle school teacher, I know that I will be in one, if not all, of these trainings. High school teachers will be broken out into content-specific sessions, and you could check the rest of the schedule here. The next step that I would push you to do, if I am a math teacher, for instance, I'm going to click into this math TLI days piece on the bottom, and I want to go down to August 10th to see what tomorrow is going to look like. If I'm a middle school math teacher, for instance, I'll have some AF math curriculum introduction in the morning, an ANET training, and then some course collaboration with other math teachers across the network. And then we'll have our closing. If I'm a high school math teacher, we'll have that intro to OneNote Live, course collaboration block A, a little break in there, course collaboration block B, and our math closing. So this schedule is broken out, as you can see here as I'm scrolling on the bottom. You could see the science, humanities for high school, STEM, humanities for middle school, and ELD for middle school and high school. All of those pieces are in here for those C3 days. If you have any questions about where you should be going on any given C3 day, this is going to be your first step. You will come to this sheet, the teacher-facing 2020 summer schedules TLI, see if you could figure that out here. If not, or if it seems unclear, or if you show up to a session and nothing is there, talk to your coach, and your coach will help you figure that out. The last thing I will say is that invites will be also sent out in conjunction with this, and there will also be links to each of the sessions in the schedule as well that we are looking at here. Today, it's actually only July 31st, so those aren't in here, but by this time when you're watching this video, those links should be in here and we should be ready to rock. If you have any questions, again, this is the place to come. If you can't figure it out from here, talk to your coach. Have a fantastic day.